In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix something went wrong while displaying this content Steam Deck. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Restart your Steam Deck. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary software glitches. Hold down the power button until the power menu appears. Then select restart and see if the issue persists after rebooting. Step number 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, try switching to a different network or resetting your router. If you are using a wired connection, ensure that the Ethernet cable is securely plugged in. Step number 3. Update Steam and games. Ensure that both Steam and the games you are trying to play are up to the date. You can do this by opening Steam, navigating to the library tab, right-clicking on the game, selecting properties, and then clicking on the updates tab to check for updates. Step number 4. Clear Steam cache. Clearing the Steam cache can sometimes resolve various issues. To do this, exit Steam, navigate to the Steam directory on your device, and delete the app cache folder. Then restart Steam and see if the problem persists. Step number 5. Check for system updates. Make sure your Steam Deck's operating system is up to date. You can check for updates by going to settings, then go to systems, then go to systems update and selecting check for updates. Step number 6. Check game compatibility. Ensure that the games you are trying to play are compatible with the Steam Deck. Some games might not run properly due to hardware or software limitations. Step number 7. Verify game files. If the issue is specific to a particular game, you can try verifying the game files to ensuring they are not corrupted. In Steam, right-click on the game, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step number 8. Contact Steam Support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may need to contact Steam Support for further assistance. You may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps or guidance specific to your situation. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.